If you would like to have a little more control over the regularity of the shapes or lines that you draw, rather than just drawing freehand, the Pen Modifier Toolbox can help with that. To access the toolbox, right-click on the Pen tool. The Pen Modifier Toolbox appears with various shapes and line types in the window. You can select one of these to constrain your line or shape to a particular type. They are available in either design or presentation mode. We have the Straight Line tool. If I click on that tool and bring it out over the drawing surface, I can draw a straight line from beginning to end. No matter how I drag the mouse cursor, the resulting line is straight. The horizontal and vertical line tools will constrain your lines to being in a horizontal or vertical orientation. The next two rows in the toolbox contain tools for squares, rectangles, circles, ellipses, a corner arch, or a semi-arch. By clicking on one of these, let's, for example, click on the Circle tool, and then clicking and dragging your mouse or pen, it draws a regular circle. The beginning point is where I first clicked my mouse. That's the center of the circle. It expands the radius of the circle as I pull my mouse or active pen away from that center point. There are a couple of other interesting tools in the bottom row of the Pen Modifier Toolbox window. The first one is called the Callout tool, which we can use if we want to label something. Clicking and dragging allows me to make a little callout symbol that might be attached to another object. Or you can draw an arrow by clicking and dragging with the Arrow tool. The arrow point will appear where you end your line. Finally, we have the Point-to-Point tool, which can be used to draw irregular shapes. This tool will place a line between each click of my mouse or the tap of the pen. So for this tool, I'm not dragging my mouse, but rather picking the points where I want the corners of my object to be and clicking or tapping on the input surface. The tool will connect all the points to draw an irregular shape.